Hey everyone, this is Pastor Dave. It's April 2nd. I'm at work. Listen closely. Do you hear that sound? I don't know what the sound is. It's a constant sound coming from the sky. I'm going to be quiet. I'm hoping you can pick this up. Started about 5 minutes ago. I know you'll pick up the traffic in the background, but it's a loud humming, or I'm not sure what the sound is. I don't want you to think I'm being funny here. It sounds like a trumpet that just is holding the note. Listen. I hope you can hear this. I want you to remember I'm only 20 minutes or maybe a little more from Ferndale, Michigan, where they heard the booms. But this is a long, steady sound. I'm not sure if my camera will pick it up, the audio, with all the traffic in the background. And I'm at 3-minute mark now, and it's still, from where I'm standing, it's loud. I can hear it. 3 minutes and 17, 18, 20 seconds. God bless everyone. The King is coming. The King is coming.